We are pleased to show you the 2005 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, compass, power door locks, power windows, fog lights, security system, CD player. Your new ride is just a phone call away.